So this is the Ocean Blue collection, which I'm really loving. I'm going to show you some of the papers down here, and then I'm going to share with you some of the inspiration that they have in the booth. Hopefully I'm moving slow enough. I just got this handheld device, and I'm learning it as we go. Okay, come in a little closer so you can see some of these projects. They're just gorgeous. And I suspect that all this is in Graphic 45's blog, but I haven't actually looked for it yet. This little carriage with the shell shape is so cute. So that shell on top is actually a little mini album. So it's really, really beautiful. Zoom out a little bit. And you can see there's a little mini album made with their tags. And I'm not positive, but I believe that's an Annette Green creation. And then there's more mini albums down here. There is a layered frame. And then of course they've got some home decor pieces, which you can really see how to use this to decorate some of your home decor needs. So I think those tin cans are just really cute. So it's lovely, lovely projects that they put in. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more on this decorator box. It's really pretty. They've layered it with lots of crystals, shiny stuff, and lots of fussy cutting. So really cool stuff. And like I said in the last video, I believe we'll be getting these in the next week or so. So we'll start shipping those pre-orders pretty soon. Hey everybody, it's Daphne from Scrap and Create, and I'm over here in the Graphic 45 booth, and I really want to share with you one of their new collections, the Fruit and Flora, which is just gorgeous. So they've got tons of inspiration out on their shelf right now, so I'm going to walk through. I'm going to try to pan nice and slow so you can really get a handle on what some of these projects look like. They're just gorgeous. So here's a beautiful clock. I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see the whole thing. And you can see there's a couple of bottles over here that they've done for the home decor stuff. Lots of little mini albums. I really liked this collection when I saw it, but honestly, seeing it in person, the colors and the level of saturation in the ink is just gorgeous. So it's fast becoming my favorite of the 3 collections that were just recently released. So this is our last day at the show, and we're talking to them about ship dates, and it looks like we may be getting some of these papers in the next week or so, which means we can start shipping all those pre-orders that you guys have for us. So we're excited to be bringing this to you. And again, this is just a short little video from the Graphic 45 booth sharing some of the inspiration that was put together by their designers for you guys to feast your eyes on. So we're really enjoying the show. And I'll bring you another clip of the farmhouse, which is the last of the new 3 new collections that just came out. Okay, this is the last or the 3rd collection that was just recently released, and I apologize for the glare, but there is some glass on this frame, and it's bouncing off the conference floor light, so I apologize for that. But I did want to share with you guys some of the inspiration that we're seeing here at the Graphic 45 booth, and this is the farmhouse collection that I'm showing you now. So they've got a mix of mini albums, cards, and I just love this card right here. It's so cute. And and here's another beautiful card down here, and I can tell you right now that's a ginger rock. I can spot that from a mile away. Anyways, they've got lots of beautiful inspiration here for us to get excited about as we start to bring this paper in and start shipping some of our pre-orders, and we're hoping next week. So again, I just wanted to share with you guys some of the inspiration that we're seeing at the booth. We're very excited about these 3 new collections, and hope you are too. And I hope I'm doing a good enough job on this video, because I'm trying to hold the camera still for you guys, but also just stay on topic long enough for you guys to get some real sense of what these projects look like. So again, this is Daphne from Scrap and Create. Thanks everybody for tuning in.